So this morning we had the CPI report from May, which showed an annual inflation rate of 2.4%, which is a slight increase from April's 2.3%, but still lower than the 2.5% forecasted by economists. Now, according to Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, the U.S. tariff on China won't change again, assuring Americans that no further adjustments are planned. The statement came despite earlier remarks from the president about duties potentially reaching 55%, a figure which a White House official clarified as not new. Moving on, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang says that quantum computing is at an inflection point. That statement provided a boost for quantum computing stocks like QUBT, which finished the day up over 25%. Now, Apple's software chief admitted that the company's AI tools lag behind competitors, stressing the importance of quality over speed in feature release. Now, after pushing up off CPI, the Nasdaq ended the day down 0.34%, and the S&P 500 also ended the day in red, down 0.29%. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So if this is your first time stopping by, do consider subscribing to the channel. So in today's video, I have some important levels for you to watch on the Nasdaq, QUBT, quantum computing, Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, SOFI Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI, and ticker symbol QBTS, D-Wave Quantum. Let's start with SOFI Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. Now, before I give you guys the levels to watch, let's take a listen to what I said about the stock a month ago. Now, based on my analysis, this stock has a upside potential of 44%. Now, at the time of that recording, SOFI was trading at 1071. If you took that buying opportunity at present day, you would have been up over 40%. With that said, current support for SOFI is going to be at 1475. If the stock can't stay above that level, then look for a pull down to 1350. And if SOFI breaks below 1350, I want you guys to look for a pullback to 1220. Now, above current support, you have resistance at 1543, which is my price target. Above that, your next level of resistance is going to be at 1650. If SOFI can break and stay above 1543, then look for that run to 1650. The next stock is QUBT, quantum computing. Today, the stock was up over 25%. Now, let's go back and take a listen to what I said about the stock a month ago. The next stock is QUBT, quantum computing. So based on my analysis, this stock has a upside potential of 61%. Now, when I made that video, QUBT was trading at 662. If you took that buying opportunity and held to my price target, you would have made a profit of 67%. Now, current support is going to be at 1896. If the stock falls below that level, then look for a 5% pullback to 1764. If that level breaks, then look for a pullback to 1668. From current price, that's going to be a pullback of almost 12%. Overall, to the downside, I'm looking for a pullback to $16 per share. Now, above current support, you have resistance at 1954. If the stock can break and stay above 1954, then look for a run to $21. Let's now move on to the next stock, ticker symbol PLTR, Palantir. Today, the stock was up 2.6%, inching closer to my price target at 144. Now, before I give you guys current support and resistance, let's also go back and take a listen to what I said about Palantir a month ago. Next stock is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Now, according to my technical analysis, this stock has a 62% upside to my price target at 144. So at the time of that recording, Palantir was trading at $88. If you took that buying opportunity, you would now be up over 53%. With that said, current support is going to be at 135. If Palantir falls below this level, then look for a pullback to 125. Below 125, Palantir's next level of support is going to be at 115. Above current support, you have resistance at 144. The next stock is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So in my previous video, I said that if Tesla could stay above 298, then look for a run to 329. Let's go on the 5-minute time frame and take a look at how things played out. So as you guys can see, we had a beautiful break and retest above 298. After that, Tesla went straight to my price target at 329. So with Tesla now above this level, current support is going to be at 329. If Tesla falls below 329, then look for a pullback to 298. And if that level breaks, then look for a further pullback to 277. Above current support, you have resistance at 264. If Tesla can get above 264, then look for a run to 390. The next stock is the Nasdaq QQQs. Current support for the Nasdaq is going to be at 530. If we start breaking below this level, then look for a pullback to 525. If 525 gets broken, then look for a further pullback to 518. Below 518, the next level of support for the Nasdaq QQQs is going to be at $500 per share. Overall, my downside target for the Nasdaq is going to be at 453. Above current support, resistance is going to be at 538. The next ticker is QBTS, D-Wave Quantum. So on this run up to resistance at 1887, I said if the stock could not get above that level, then look for a pullback to 1582. We're not quite there yet, so maybe in the next trading session we do end up hitting that price. With that said, your main level of support is still going to be at 1582. If D-Wave Quantum breaks below this level, then look for a pullback to 1439. Overall, to the downside, I'm looking for a pullback to $13. From current price, that's going to be a pullback of 20%. Above current support, you have resistance at 1753 and at 1887. If the stock can get above 1887 and stay above it, then look for a run to 2190. Alright guys, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, do consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.